Hello everyone! Welcome to Zepl's how-to video series. In this video, we are going to talk about how to share a notebook and also how to collaborate as a team. To share a notebook is very easy. Just click on Share from your notebook. From there, you can enter the email address of the person that you want to share with. I have a test account that I'm just going to use for my own email. Now when I log into my other account, I can see my notebook shows on the bottom. From here, I can put this notebook side by side with the account which I shared my notebook from. As you can see, I can collaborate between two accounts in real time. However, when I try to edit from my new account, it wouldn't work. Why is that? That's because I have not assigned the correct privilege to my user. So let me go back to the configuration and change from view to edit. From there, I can now refresh my account. And after refreshing, I'm able to start editing the notebook. Another way of collaborating is to create a shared space. And in order for me to do that, I can go back to my homepage and create a new space called test.org space. Then I'm going to assign different users to that particular space. And also, depending on what kind of privilege I want to assign to the user, I can choose from manager to collaborator or member. Click on apply. Now I can see that I have 3 members in my space. From the notebook, instead of sharing with the user, I can now share with the space. Now my user has access to the notebook from the space that I created. As you can see, it's very easy to organize user access on the space level. Thank you for watching. See you next time.